Organism have this is the chapter body fluid and circulation. Organisms have need to circulate fluid in their body to transport materials from one part to another. Body fluid develops from mesoderm. Those phylum which don't have mesoderm can't have body fluid. Example Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora. Blood is the main body fluid used by higher organisms. Such lower phylum organisms use environmental fluid to do the transport. Platyhelminths, Ascalmens, they are the parenchyma, and Ascalhelminths pseudocoelomic have a fluid and origin is mesoderm. The blood. William Harvey discovered that blood circulates in our body. Blood is a specialized connective tissue having fluid matrix, no fiber. Components of bloods are plasma, formed elements, ions, in transit, nutrients. Fluid matrix 55%, solid 45%, sodium, chlorine, bicarbonate, calcium and magnesium. These are present in plasma. In nutrients, amino acids, glucose, lipid, etc. in plasma. The blood is main body fluid used by higher organisms. Just like Annelida chordata, circulatory system starts from Annelida. Vertebrata have one more fluid called lymph. Now, plasma is 55% straw color viscous fluid. Its component is water 90 to 92%, protein 6 to 8%, ions, nutrient dissolved in water. Many types, major three types: albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. Maintains osmolarity and the globulin, gamma globulin, immunoglobulin, antibody help in defense. The fibrinogen is the clotting or coagulation. The plasma also has certain clotting factors. Plasma minus clotting factor is equal to serum. 45% formed elements present. The informed elements RBC, WBC, platelets. RBC is also known as erythrocyte. 5 to 5.5 million per mm cube. 1 mm cube is equal to 0.001 m. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days. There are major three types of protein: albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen, as we know. The site of formation in embryonic stage, yolk sac, and in liver. In adult stage, it is formed in red bone marrow. The site for destruction of the RBC is a spleen. It is also known as a graveyard RBC. The structure is the without nucleus and other cell organelles enucleated. Red color of blood is due to RBC having hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains 12 to 16 grams per 100 ml, used for transport of gases. Erythrocytopenia is a condition of anemia that is decrease in RBC number, and erythrocytosis is a condition in which RBC increases in number. The RBC provides the space for iron containing pigmented protein hemoglobin. Now let's study about the WBC leukocyte. They are short-lived memory lymphocytes. Exceptions: content amount is 6 to 8,000 per mm cube. White color due to absence of hemoglobin. Site of formation is the red bone marrow. It also proliferates in 2 degree secondary lymphoid organs. It has nucleus. Function is defense. The types are granulocytes, agranulocytes, granulocytes with granules, and agranulocytes without granules. So the granulocytes examples are basophil, eosinophil, acidophil, neutrophil. Agranulocyte is monocyte, lymphocyte. Now in NCRT, the percentage are in NCRT, the 60 to 65% neutrophil, 20 to 25% lymphocyte, 6 to 8% monocyte, 2 to 3% eosinophil, and 0.5 to 1% is basophil. And there's a trick to remember it. Never let me interbus. N for neutrophil, L for lymphocyte, M for monocyte, E for eosinophils, and B for basophil. The neutrophil is a phagocytic, that is, it engulfs pathogen, and nucleus is multi-lobed with no fixed shape. It is also called PMNL, polymorphonuclear leukocyte. The lymphocyte is a round nucleus and it has T cell and a B cell. Immunity details in human health. Monocyte is in blood, macro. It is called as a monocyte in blood and called macrophage when present in tissue. And they are the largest WBC. The nucleus is a kidney bean. And it is phagocytic, M and N phagocytic, monophils and neutrophils. The asnophil, it resists infection involving allergy. Nucleus is like a headphone bilobed. Basophil is in blood. It is known as mast cell in tissue. In blood, it is known as basophil. In tissue, is known as mast cell. Its nucleus is S-shaped. Function is inflammation. Secret histamine, serotonin, heparin. Histamine is a vasodilator. Serotonin is a vasoconstrictor and anticoagulate heparin. The WBC, when decreases in number, it is known as leukocytopenia. When it increases in number, it is known as leukocytosis or leukemia. The platelet is known as a thrombocytes. Uh, its number is 1.5 to 3.5 lakhs per mm cube and it is short lived. The megakaryocyte, platelet cell fragment, no nucleus. Now let's learn about blood group. Out of many types, we mainly study ABO blood group and RH blood group. And the ABO blood group is discovered by Lance Steiner. It is based on a presence of certain molecule called antigen on surface of RBC. So now let's know how will you decide that you have which blood group. In first column we write A, B, AB and O. When there is in A blood group an antigen present on RBC, it is A. In B blood group, B antigen present. In AB, AB antigen present. But in blood group O, there is no antigen. And now talk about antibody. In A blood group, anti B antibody is present. In B, antibody A is present. In AB, no antibody. And in O, both AB present. So the AB blood group is known as a universal acceptor because it has no antibody, so it will not resist. And an O is a universal donor because it has no antigen, so it can give its blood to anyone. Now, while blood transfusion, it's important to match blood groups if not lead to clumping, agglutination, leading to the destruction of RBC. Recipient should not have antibodies against donor antigen. Universal recipient AB positive has no naturally occurring antibodies. Universal donor is O negative because it has no antigen, and the blood group A can donate to A and O, B can donate to B and O, AB can donate to all, AB can receive from all, B only receive from BO, A from AO and O from only O. The RH blood grouping. There is another antigen called RH on RBC surface of 80% individual. They are said to have blood group. Rest 20% don't have RH antigen and have O negative blood group.